Hi, my name is Errol. Thanks for joining us today. Today I'm going to discuss basically how to configure a VLAN that's pretty much product generic. These are pretty much the steps that will help you do things in order when creating a VLAN. Okay, like I said, this is pretty generic, so there may be little steps in between. Maybe you may have to enable a VLAN per se, but this is basically true throughout product lines like Cisco, Juniper, HP, Avaya, and so on. The first step you want to do is create a VLAN. By default, there's one VLAN. Everything's in a default VLAN. Sometimes that's VLAN 0, 1, or just default or management VLAN. So you want to create a new VLAN. You can create it by creating like VLAN 2 or something like that, depending on what you want it to be. So for number 2, the next thing you want to do is anything that you don't want in the default VLAN that's destined for another VLAN, you want to remove that from the default VLAN. What happens is if you don't remove it, it won't let you add it to another VLAN. So you create the VLAN and remove ports that you want in that VLAN from the default VLAN. The third step is to add those ports to the new VLAN that you created. For the next step, you want to create your trunk ports. Figure out what port is going to carry traffic to the next switch. And for step 5, find out what VLANs you want to go across the trunk. If it's just the green VLAN, then just for the trunk, add the green VLAN to it. If you want the green and the red VLAN to go across, add the green or red VLAN. Access ports, these ports over here can only carry one VLAN. Trunk ports carry multiple because they're all going to the next switch to expand the VLAN over distance. Thanks for joining us. I hope that helped you learn a little more about configuring VLANs. It's the same pretty much for all manufacturers. The commands are different, but other than that, the order's pretty much the same. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.